These are some images of Indian woman. Years over years, she has been defined in a specific word, put in a specific frame, dependent, lower energy, beggar. When she gives birth, people's joy expression is false. They smile in a shade of sadness. They welcome her with many questions in mind. Even in a global world, she who gives her birth gets worried. Her placenta gets upset by which she feeds her for 9 months. In India, though each community women have a different languages, their suffering, pain is same, no matter what standard they live. Sacrifice is the slogan. Tag for her, she is a giver. Birth, life, happiness, education, sadness, food, culture, etc. She can be Meera, Mother Teresa, Rani Lakshmibai. At the same time, she is sweeper at home and on road for everybody's hygiene. She is soldier at border for safety of whole country. She is guru for spiritual journey. She is slut for lust. She can live alone. She can control her emotions. Every woman fight with situation, even with God for her family's betterment. You try her to keep her away from knowledge, make her to stand in a lower position. She is the one who grabs, acquire it first and fast, and offer it first and fast. People worship Goddess Saraswati for knowledge and stop her wife girl to gain it, to maintain their standard. As per them, whites require more, but they want more from her and more and more. Good language, culture, food, environment, and what not. There is age bar for her to love someone except her family. For him, any age is suitable. For her, specific style criteria is there to present herself. For him, anything is well done. They judge her expression of feeling. For him, all okay. They enjoy her confusion in yes or no. They admire if she's scared. It's misfortune that the woman has the biggest role in woman's failure and tragedy. Custom, rules, regulations, culture, tradition, condition, everyone wants to throw away. But she teases, criticizes when other one does it. Proud comes very rarely. Their competitions, critics help her too to make over more developed, graceful woman. In process of progression, development, making new style, she left behind many things, especially ghungat, cloth barrier for her face, but not her responsibilities. Her loved ones been always first in her planning, in her prayer, even if they left her alone. She changed her outfit, hairstyle, costume, look, speaking, but not the quality of love. Unconditional love, attachment, bounding. She changed not only herself, but the people around her. Some dirty minds who don't want her to awake, realize and aware the power within her, the power which can create the world, generate energy, nourish the cosmos. They only want her to be knee down, and then too in hospitals. The boys work as ward boy, girl work as a nurse in every ward. Guys, you are there because of the mother, river, the earth, the energy. Even in a God's world, whenever difficult time comes, devil power increase, Shakti been worshipped and invited, and time changes. She is Kali to destroy negativity. She is Durga for protection. She is not only to serve you bread, butter, and bed. She is the one who made you possible to come in a beautiful world, and you need her again for your baby to come. She is a beautiful creation of God. Respect, love her. She is not entertainer at all. She is creator. Not only we, God is also helpless without her. Transformation from Adivasi to Miss World, from nothing to everything. There was circumstances for no cloth. Now they create occasion for no cloth. Plumber, electrician, carpenter, many things. She can't be. Will he? Without her, she has given birth and nourished him. Respect feminine power. River may establish or destroy village. Earthquake come any moment. Electricity hit or enlight the life. Today in a COVID situation, one feminine country helping world, the India, celebrate every day as Women's Day. Vande Mataram.